I believe by now you've noticed that I love collecting fragrances, of course, but I love completing series for different fragrance houses. Now, a while ago, I brought you the whole Imperium series, the Original, the Intense, and the X. Now, another one that I brought you as well, the other day I brought you the Immortal London, and I brought you the Blue Magician from Igniflio. Now, the last one that I have, and it's the most impressive one in my books, is called Zero to Legend. Now, look at this stunning clear bottle with a silver cap on it. You'll see the nice opening at the box as well. But guys, this is so impressive. And I didn't know the bottle was clear until I opened it and I saw that, and I'm like, yes, that is just a beautiful round off for the series or for the collection that I'm getting. But the juice inside itself, guys, not a lot of ingredients in this baking, but it's straightforward but stunning. It opens with a sage and bergamot. Now, sage, yes, it just starts off with a nice, call it spicy note to it. Bergamot just brings it nice together. And in the middle with a black currant, a little bit darkish kind of fruit, but it's still very nice. And then you get your base of amberwood, tonka, and vetiver. Now, this is, guys, lovely. The nice thing about this fragrance is that it's not overpowered with a lot of notes in it. It's just 1 or 2 or 5 or 6 notes in it, but it's brought together so well, and it comes down in the dryness so very nice. It smells just stunning. Guys, this is another beautiful dupe of Igniflio, and it's a Igniflio Speed Legend dupe. But honestly, guys, not expensive, but projection, lovely. Look, projection is going to be nice. Longevity is very nice. I'll give this a nice, beautiful 7 out of 10 for longevity and for projection. Now, one thing you need to remember about this fragrance with regards to the other two, with the Blue Magician and Immortal London, is that the opening is not as strong as an intense as this one is. This one is a bit more toned down with the sage and the bergamot, but it lasts also very long, and you will get very nice compliments out of this fragrance. Guys, Zero to Legend by Fragrance World. Beautiful fragrance, stunning fragrance. I love the bottle. It's going to look so much nice. It's going to look nice on my rack with all my other collectibles collections. But impressive, very nice, impressive, beautiful fragrance. Guys, seriously, I would run down to the shop